people started using soap to do their brows. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. You guys can see I am so excited because we hit 400 subscribers. Woohoo! Pop champagne, pop champagne, pop champagne. We need to pop some champagne because damn. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos, watching my videos, commenting, because you guys are the reason why I have 400 subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm so ecstatic. We all know 2020 is ending, and I felt like I should do a video where I talk about all the different trends of 2020, all the different makeup trends of 2020. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing all the makeup trends of 2020 on my face, and you know what that includes? Soap brows. I'm gonna be putting soap on my brows and I'm gonna be trying it out to see if it works. So I'm gonna be testing all the makeup trends of 2020. So if you guys feel I'll be able to do it, let me know in the comments below now. Let me know. Let's bet this. Let's bet this. Will I be able to do it? Will I be able to do it? Let's bet this. So if you guys would like to see me try out all the different makeup trends of 2020 and see if I flop or I bop, like if I flop or do the right thing, then keep on watching. I also want to say thank you to everyone that has been watching my videos. You know it's Vlogmas, so posting every single day. It hasn't been easy, guys. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, but if you're watching this video, please give it a thumbs up to keep me going, guys, because it's not easy posting every day. Like, it's not easy. It's such a long intro. You know I don't do long intros. So let's go into this video. The first makeup trend I'm going to be trying out today, I feel like everyone and their mama has done this makeup trend in 2020. It's the trend of where you are drawing your concealer in front and at the edge of your eyes, so it kind of gives you a lifted look. And I'm not even gonna lie, I've been doing this trend, so this is not really the first time I'm doing this trend. I've been doing it since I tried it out for the first time. The trend is you put your concealer here and here, so it lifts your face. The first time I did this trend on my channel was when I was reviewing the NUBAN beauty foundation and highlighter. I'll leave a link here, and in that video I was like, I don't see the point of it. I don't see the point. But now I have been doing it religiously every time I do my makeup. So shall I say the hypocrisy of it all? Why I have been doing this trend is because not only does it lift your face, it makes you use less concealer, and I feel like it actually makes your concealer crease less because you're not putting too much, you're just concentrating it on where it's actually necessary. It's not actually a trend of 2020, but for me, I like leaving my concealer on to dry off a bit so it's going to have more coverage. Why I started out with my concealer first was because I don't think there's any trend relating to foundation this year about 2020. I feel like 2020 was the year of matte type of look. Last year I feel like everybody was doing glowy, but now everybody's like matte, soft glam and all of that. So no foundation trend. We're just going to skip to the concealer, which I'm doing right now. If you guys noticed, I'm kind of stealing some techniques from HINDASH. If you have not watched my video where I was following HINDASH's makeup tutorial, that video was a roller coaster, but it ended up, I'm not going to tell you guys how it ended up. Go and watch the video and you find out. But you can see some techniques that I've really incorporated into my looks recently. I'm going to go on to my contour. This is the Black Opal Stick Foundation. I'm going to be contouring my face. Was there any contouring trend? I feel like it's only the highlighting before contouring trend that took over 2020, but I'm going to do a separate video for that. So that's why I decided to do this shape type of concealer trend. I find it funny how the trends of makeup really evolve, because it's really funny how when makeup first started, when everybody wanted to learn makeup and everything, the trend of concealer was that doing your concealer straight like this, like you're applying your concealer and it's reaching here, you're applying your contour is reaching here. That was how it first started out. That, at least that's how I remember. Then afterwards, everybody was saying that no, don't put your concealer like this. Put your concealer only. Stop your concealer here. Don't go up. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but at first it was apply your concealer up like this, then it stopped being like that. People just started doing round concealer, like end your concealer here instead of carrying it up. And now the first trend of applying your concealer upward is now what is trending today. I'm actually curious to see what the next trend will be for 2021, because I feel like the makeup trends keep recycling over and over again. And 1 minute is don't do this, another minute is do that. Just like the way last year glowy skin was trending, and now this year it's matte skin. It's crazy, man. But what are we gonna do? That's what makes it fun. The next trend I'm gonna be trying out is the bright under eye trend, and I feel like this is also in relation to the concealer trend I did last year. I don't think that bright, extra bright under eye was trending, but this year everyone is doing bright under eyes, and the way they do it is with that application of the concealer where you apply the powder here and here and they leave it to bake. Baking is something that as of last year I don't even think people were doing it anymore. Everybody was against baking. I feel like at one point I was against baking too. Everybody was against baking. Nobody wanted to bake anymore. But now this year people are baking, but not the usual way we used to bake, that we put powder everywhere. Although I still do it, but now people are just baking only in front here and at the edge here to give it that lifted look. But sometimes I go crazy and bake everywhere. It happens. Now, this next trend is one that I'm not even gonna lie, I truly do not understand. This trend always seems to come every few years, or I feel like this trend is always coming every year, and I've never actually attempted it. And today I'm gonna try it out. I'm kind of scared because I don't know what the outcome is. This trend is the soap brow trend. This year brow lamination was trending a lot. I can't really explain what brow lamination is. It's just like your brows standing. I can't explain, just check it out, because I still don't understand it a bit. So how will I explain something that I don't really get? But it's all about your hair standing and all of that. So people started using soap to do their brows. Their brows will stand and hold a lot longer, and it will start looking good. And I don't know, but I feel like today we should try it out. So I'm gonna be using my Glow Girl skincare soap. I'm gonna be using this to do my brows today. I don't even know how they do it. I don't even know the step-by-step process, but we're gonna learn today. You and I, we're gonna learn this thing together, because if it fails, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really don't know. So I'm gonna take the spoolie and rightly rub the soap on it. I don't know, am I doing it right? Am I doing it wrong? Tell me in the comments. So it's supposed to help the brows stand. I don't know if it's working. I don't even know what to expect, honestly, but I guess the brows are standing. It feels tight a bit, but not too much. Take a look at the brows for yourself, guys. What do you think? Do you think it made it look good? I feel like the brows are now in place and I feel like they won't move anywhere. So I think that is kind of the purpose of the soap, to hold it in. It feels quite tight. So let's do our brows and see. The whole point is to make your brows look natural, like it's standing. So I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas. To be honest, I feel like it made my brows look fuller a bit. To be honest, I get the appeal of soap brows because it actually looks good. Like you can see how my hairs are staying in place. That is because of the soap, because the soap kind of holds it in. If your goal is to have this type of strokey hair type of brow, then using soap to do it is actually good, because it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to stay in place. And I feel like I might actually like it. Like, I'm actually doing it again. See why it's always good to try out new things. You might be seeing it on someone else and be like, oh, I won't do that, it won't look good on me, I'm not going to be able to do it. But when you actually try, it might actually be the thing that really changes your game. So I feel like this is not, it's not going to be something I'll be doing every day, obviously, but if I want to try something new, I will be definitely doing this soap wrap, because it actually looks good. What do you guys think? It looks good. A thumbs up for me. Next up, let's go on to the eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I feel like graphic liner was a trend, soft glam eyeshadow was a trend, but we're not going to be doing graphic liner today. Today is going to be soft glam eyeshadow, and soft glam consists of your browns and your nudes and your skin tone color basic. Another eyeshadow that was really dominating 2020 was the fox eye trend, which is that trend where you just lift your eye up, you use eyeliner to lift it up and bring out the eyeliner in front here. So we're going to be doing that today along with the soft glam eyeshadow. So let's get into it. Okay, when it comes to soft glam, we all know soft glam means matte. There's no shimmer when it comes to soft glam eyeshadow. So we are gonna start out by setting our eyelids. We're gonna be using the shade Amber from the Lhidia Stanley times Zikel Cosmetics palette, and I'm just going to use that to set my eyelids. You want to use a shade that is your skin tone, so you can use your eyeshadow or your powder. So I just want to set everything in place. I'm going to be using the shade Zikel and Umber together. I'm going to mix it together and apply that into my crease to deepen it up. Here on this palette is pigmented. I'm also dragging it outwards because you know we're gonna be in that fox eye look. Next up, I'm gonna be applying the shade Latte on my lid. So this is my skin tone shade. I'm just gonna be pressing it all over. So because it's a soft glam look, I'm going to be using a brown gel liner to do the fox eye instead of a black, because soft glam doesn't really need a very black gel liner. It's just going to counteract the whole point of soft glam. So what are your thoughts on this fox eye look? How does it look? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. Now the next trend of 2020 is matte blush. Blush really trended a lot because of the soft glam trend. I'm going to be using my Pixi Beauty Nuance Quartette Sugar Blossom blush and highlight palette to just apply blush on my face. I feel like this trend, apart from it being a 2020 trend, I personally love blush a lot, so it's not far-fetched for me. So 2020 was the year where highlighter was not it. Highlighter was not the it thing, but I feel like highlighter has been slowly dying down for some years now. Like, people don't really give a F about highlighter, so I can't see that sign. That sign ain't gonna stop me, because I'm always gonna apply highlighter, especially on my nose, because it looks so cute. So that's not gonna stop me. I'm still gonna do my highlighter. Period. Poo. So I feel like for the lip section, glossy lips has been what has been trending for a while now. For some years now, people don't really care about matte lipstick anymore, but for me, I still like matte lipstick, but because of the sake of the video, we're gonna be doing a glossy lip. This is the Pixi Beauty Lip Lift Max. It's almost finished. This feels so good on the lips. And there we have it, guys. This is the completed look. I have to say, I killed this shit. Like, this look is so beautiful. I feel like I embodied the whole of 2020 on my face. If you guys feel like I missed out on some trends, let me know in the comments. And if you feel like I did some trends that were not actually of 2020, then leave it in the comments, because I felt like I was seeing some trend and I don't know whether I was mixing 2020 with 2019. I'm sorry if I did, but I feel like that's what I can remember as what really dominated 2020. I really enjoyed filming this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, all Mathildaduku. If you guys have watched 2 or 3 videos of mine, guys, you are doing a disservice to yourself if you're not subscribed to my channel, because how are you going to know when I post a new video if you are not subscribed to my channel? Turn on the notification bell so that you get the notification every time I upload, because you guys know it's Vlogmas for me. I started my Vlogmas on the 18th of December and it's posting every single day. So if you haven't been watching my previous videos, please go catch up so that you wouldn't miss any, because it's all gonna be interesting and you're gonna love it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.